Hello, this is Correction of Errors, video by Lasha Kaunang. This is Olivia. She's an accountant. She had produced a trial balance and discovered that the debit and credit columns differed by thousands of dollars. What should she do? Well, she's in a lot of stress, so she decided to walk to the park. When she's walking in the park, she looks up to the sky and what is that? Different types of error. She also saw a car in the distance and it said, "Let's go on a road trip down the error lane." She's really curious, so she went. She looked out her window and saw error of omission occurs when an entry has not been recorded although a transaction has occurred during that period. Next, she saw error of commission, an error that occurs when a bookkeeper or accountant records a debit or credit to the correct account but to the wrong subsidiary account or ledger. Next, error of principle, a mistake made in recording a transaction that violates fundamental principle or guideline of accounting. After that, she saw error of original entry, occurs when a transaction is initially recorded incorrectly in the accounting records. Next, she saw error of reversal. A reversal refers to the action of undoing or reversing a previous accounting entry. What's that? Error of compensating error, a specific type of accounting error that one error overstates an account balance while another error understates a different account balance by the same amount, effectively canceling each other out. Then Olivia saw something in the sky. What is that? Suspense account, an account opened to record a difference between the debit and credit totals of the trial balance. Suspense accounts should be opened only when attempts to find the cause of difference on trial balance have been unsuccessful. After that, Olivia made a stop, but she saw another car. It says, "Let's go on another road trip down the error that should be in the suspense account lane." Then she saw single entries where only half of the financial transaction has been posted. For example, the payment of wages has been entered as credit in the bank account, but no other entry has been made on the debit side of an account. Next, she saw same-side entries, when both entries have been made on the same side of two separate accounts. For example, the payment of wages has been credited to both the bank account and the wages account. Next, we have unequal entries. The entries have been made on the correct sides of an account, but the figures differ. For example, debit wages is $450, credit bank $500. Next, you saw balancing of arithmetical errors, resulting in the balance on one or more accounts being over or under added. This is the example of suspense account. When to use suspense account, ask these two questions. First, did the debit equal the credits when the original entries were made? Second, how many accounts have a problem because of this error? Last, Olivia saw these two main points. First, error and profit. The suspense account can enable the business to continue operating while an investigation into where the errors are takes place. If a set of professional financial statements has been prepared, then it is possible that the profit figure will need changing. Another point, errors, current assets, and current liabilities. In addition to having an effect on profit, the correction of these errors will change some of the values shown in the statement of financial position. It will be useful to see what effect correcting any errors will have on the current asset and current liabilities. That's it. Thank you for joining this road trip. Hope you learned something.